This lesson is 10.7 in Go Math for the practice and homework. Let's read the title together and go. Problem solving, shape patterns. Very good. The directions say solve each problem, but we've learned through our lesson that we're going to draw pictures to help us. All right, so let's just explain number 1. It says Marta is using this pattern to decorate a picture frame. Describe Marta's pattern. Draw what might be the next 3 figures in her pattern. So we go triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square, triangle. Okay, so it says draw what might be. They did it for us, but we're going to just outline it. So do square, square, triangle. And then we just have to describe Marta's pattern. It starts with a 1 triangle followed by 2 squares. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, number 2. It says describe a pattern. All right, so we have to describe the pattern first because that's what the directions told us to do. And we're all about following directions, right?
Yeah.
So it goes 1 circle, then
2 circles.
3 circles. But if we're more specific, what could we say?
Pattern?
Yeah, how do we describe that? Is it just 3 random circles going straight up or what?
3 circles.
Add 1 to the bottom
And top.
and above, right? Would you say? And above. Then what? How do we describe the next part? And make sure they're what? What can we add as we're going to figure 3? What else did they do? Did they just make it like a right angle?
No.
What did they do?
Make it a slant.
And then slant it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then connect to make a slant?
Yeah.
Okay, connect to make a slant. Okay, now are we done with our directions?
No.
Okay, it says draw what might be the next 3 figures in your pattern. Okay, so we're not done. We have to draw the next 3. So if this is 3 on the bottom, what's our next one going to be?
4 on the bottom.
4 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then following our pattern, it says 1 circle, then 3. So we have to do what? Going up. How many going up? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 going up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And connect to make a slant. So this one's going to have 3. This one's going to have 2. All right, so there's 1. Are we done yet?
No.
No, it said the next 3, right? So let's keep going. This one will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's connect to make a slant. I'm just doing it this way so that it doesn't go crooked. Okay, are you still with me?
Yep.
3, 4, 5. How am I doing?
Good.
Good. Okay. So what's going to be the next figure? 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what? What do I do next?
Go up to the slant.
Okay, so I can go up 6. Yeah, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then connect to make a slant. So I'll make this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2. All right, how are we looking?
Good.
Good. Okay, I'll just explain number 3. It says find a pattern in your classroom. Describe and extend the pattern. So you get to use your words to show what the pattern is and draw a picture to keep it going. All right, ready and go.